Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my vlog. My name is Jeff. For today's video, meron tayong masarap na ulam para sa ating breakfast. Sarsadong expensive fish bisogo. Hugasan natin ng maiging ating fish and slice na rin natin ang ating mga ingredients. Magpainit ng mantika at iprito muna natin ang ating fish. After natin maprito ay iset aside natin ito. Mag-isa ng maraming sibuyas, loya, kamatis, kaunting bawang. Inagad pa tayo ng 5 pirasong clove at 1 pirasong bay leaf. Meron pa tayong slice of celery. Dagdag aroma, napakayamin ng ating sarsadong fish. Magad tayo ng ating vinegar, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Counting water. Continue lang guys ang ating pagpapakulo or pagluluto ng ating ginagawang sauce hanggang maging aromatic ito or maging malasa. Nagad pa tayo niyan guys ng konting brown sugar para medyo matamis ito. And ilagay na rin natin ang ating slice of carrots, black pepper, and magic sarap. I-add na rin natin ang ating napritong fish and konting pagpapakulo na lang ay ready na ang ating masarap and special sarsadong fish. Gagawa tayo ng ating cold drinks. Meron tayong lemon with fresh mint. Yung ating fresh mint leaf, lemon juice, and nagad pa tayo ng konting honey para medyo matamis ito. Blend it well at meron na tayong so yummy, so healthy, so refreshing lemon with a fresh mint leaf. For hot drinks, meron tayong tanglad or lemongrass tea and onion tea. Slice of onion at 5 pirasong cloves, may kaunting loya. Nagad pa tayo ng ating pressed mint leaves and tea seed. Papakulay lang natin ito. Meron na tayong so healthy and so yummy hot drinks. Food is ready for masarap na breakfast. Yung ating sarsadong fish. Nag-add pa tayo ng slice of spring onion para sa ating garnish sa top ng ating sarsadong fish. Meron pa tayong vegetable salad. Lagyan lang natin ito ng konting salt, ground pepper, and lemon juice. And please guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe too. Thank you so much. Kain tayo guys for masarap na breakfast. Mapaparami tayo ng kain ito. So delicious ang ating masarap na sarsadong fish. Let's enjoy the food. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye bye. Ingat po.